All right, so here was our little cabin we stayed in during our time visiting Glacier National Park. It's in, I think it was a little city called Bab, I want to say. But yeah, basically it's just like a little tiny room with a bed. And we went in the summer, so we didn't have to use that little heater, but I can imagine it getting pretty cold. But it was pretty nice. Like, it was a cute little room, kind of like glamping, like you're kind of camping, but kind of not. Here, there was a little river right outside, which was really nice, and we could hear it. And you get a little bench, and yeah, just a cute little room. Over here was the front office and the bathrooms, so you had to take a little walk to go to the bathroom or take a shower, but not too bad.